Our last topic is essay, and the topic is my book, मेरी किताब. The first sentence is this is my book. ये मेरी किताब है. Second sentence is it is my English book. ये मेरी इंग्लिश की किताब है. It has many colorful pages. इसके बहुत सारे रंगीन सफ़े हैं. Number 4 is it is very interesting book. ये बहुत दिलचस्प किताब है. Number 5 is it has many pictures. इसमें बहुत सारी तस्वीर हैं. It has interesting stories. इसमें बहुत दिलचस्प कहानियाँ हैं. Seventh sentence is I bought it from the bookshop. मैंने इसे किताबों की दुकान से ख़रीदा है. Second last sentence is my mother helps me when I read it. मेरी अम्मी इसे पढ़ने में मेरी मदद करती हैं. The last sentence is I love my book. मैं अपनी किताब से बहुत मोहब्बत करती हूँ. Let's repeat this essay again. This is my book. It is my English book. It has many colorful pages. It is very interesting book. It has many pictures. It has interesting stories. I bought it from the bookshop. My mother helps me when I read it. I love my book. Now, students, your home task is learn this definition of sentence, forms of verb, and essay, my book. Learn all today's task and practice it on your binder. Allah Hafiz.